United 781 Heavy LA Tower, caution, wake turbulence, Boeing 757, 3 mile final. Heavy jet will depart parallel runway. Wind 240 at 12, runway 25 left, close the line.
Dekkeltje opgeschuift.
Three heavy maintenance frequency, traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles, E190 at 2,500, report him in sight.
Yeah, we got him, Delta 283.
Delta 283 heavy, maintain visual separation, contact SoCal departure.
Still call, Delta 283.
Air Shuttle 2809 at Papa, cross runway 25 right, contact ground point 75 as you cross.
Cross 25 right here at Papa, then 0.75 on the outside, Shuttle 2809, thanks.
Challenger 1 Papa Echo at Foxtrot, cross runway 25 left, hold short runway 25 right.
Cross 25 left, hold short 25 right for 301 Papa Echo.
Delta 1508 LA Tower, taxi full length.
Full length to the 1508. Get him 601 is on mile 5 left. Full last, go at 6059.
KLM 601 Heavy LA Tower, wind 240 at 9er, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 25 left, KLM 601 Heavy.
Landing checklist.
Checklist. Sweep brake.
Arm.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
130.
Landing checklist completed. Straight lands.
Check.
Delta 1508, runway 25 right, position, hold traffic, will cross downfield.
Delta 1508, position, hold 25 right.
Challenger 1 Papa Echo at Bravo, pass behind the Brasilia. And at Foxtrot, cross runway 25 right, turn right on Bravo and taxi full length.
Alright, we'll be behind the Brasilia and we'll taxi to full end to 25 left, or 25 right, 301 Papa Echo.
American 1458 LA Tower.
Yes, ma'am.
American 1458 at Foxtrot, pass behind the Challenger, then taxi full length.
Behind the Challenger, full length, American 1458.
Landing.
Approaching minimums.
Delta 1508, wind 240 at 9er, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Delta 1508, clear for takeoff, 25 right.
Eagle Flight 6059, caution wake turbulence, runway 25 right, position, hold, report the Boeing 737 in sight.
50, 40, 30.
Skywest 6059, caution wake turbulence, runway 25 right, position, hold, report departing traffic in sight.
Delta's inside, position, hold 25 right, Skywest 6059.
Speed brakes, Sam.
Eagle Flight 3006 by Lima.
Eagle Flight 3006, LA Tower, caution wake turbulence, preceded by heavy Boeing 747, wind 240 at 9er, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 25 left, Eagle Flight 3006.
90. 80.
LA Tower United 531 Heavy is with you outside Lima for 25 left.
70. 60.
KLM 601 heavy, turn right at Hotel 9er at Tango, hold short, runway 25 right.
Hotel 9er and short 25 right, get them 601.
Skywest 6059, maintain visual separation, wind
200.
Shear alert. It's over now though.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5, 4 in reverse.
They go to the end. And your brakes, 90.
Auto brakes disarmed.
Hold short of 1-1. Hold short of 1-1.